go. Where are you girls?
Chuck E. Cheese!
You at Chuck E. Cheese?
Pretend like we're at a car station. All we have to do is pretend like the bike needs fixed. We can pretend like we're on the road, cause all we have to do is ride around. Pretend like we're gonna do anything. Take off the clothes, don't do anything. How everything goes. Oh.
Joy, are you at the stop sign?
There's nothing that could be. I go the other way. Oh, it's awesome.
Uh-oh, what's that sign say, Joy?
Uh-oh.
What does it say?
Do not enter.
I love you.
Don't go in that spot. Like, get in trouble with
Oh, do not enter. Okay. No. Hey, Omar, can you help that little girl over there? Her car broke down and she's crying. Are you going to get out and look under the hood, Joy? Whoa! How's your car doing, Julie? How's your car? What's your name? Megan, don't make it jump up in the air. Julie, let her come back. I want to talk to that lady in the car. Hey, lady in the car, what's your name? Your name is Meow. What is your name? Megan, let her talk. I want to talk to her. What is your name? What is your name, lady?
Sister, she's a real mess up.
What is your name?
I'm gonna go on my playground.
You want to go to your playground now?
Yeah.
Okay, drive ahead over there.
Sister, you have to meet me outside, you know. I'm not going to playground, Mom.
Where are you going? Where are you going, Julie? You going to Giant Eagle?